Today is my 24th birthday and I'm spending it in Bali. I left home 3 months ago to come here to travel, work, and just make some memories, and I've been here ever since. Not long ago, making content for a living and having the freedom to just randomly move to another country was a dream life for me. And today, this is what my day looks like. Alright, this has been my whip for the past couple of months. Went from never riding a motorbike to riding one every single day. It's pretty fun, to be honest. Gonna head to the gym now, get a little workout in. Love pretty much everything about Bali. What I don't love is the traffic. It is absolute madness here, pretty much any time of the day, all the time. That takes some getting used to. So if you're thinking about coming here, be prepared for the traffic.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, man? Thank you, brother.
Feeling wiser and older? Same.
But ask me at the end of the day.
At the end of the day?
Yeah.
And you can gain all the knowledge.
Because I'm still 23 in Canada.
Okay.
So maybe like by the end
We
of
need
the
to
day.
find exactly what time you are, you turn it, and then we're gonna celebrate again.
Just call my mom. What time am I supposed to hit this wisdom? They just opened up a whole MMA part of this gym. It's the whole top floor. Everything is new. Pretty dope. Something that surprised me when I came to Bali is how expensive the gyms are here. Pretty much everything here is cheap, food is cheap, accommodation is cheap, but to go to a nice gym like this is usually like at least $100 a month, and a lot of them are the 200 plus, which is just weird. I don't know why that is, but pretty much everything in Bali is cheap except for the gyms.
We're gonna surprise Alex.
Pulling up back to the house now. My roommate Sierra kept asking me what time I'm coming home, so I have a feeling that she has some kind of surprise for me. I'm a little scared.
Sierra's like the best.
I come home and I have 3 amazing girls making me breakfast. And me? And Ryan. It doesn't get better than this. Alright, so we're pulling up to the Lost Creator House now. This place was started by Lost LeBlanc. He made this place just for creators and entrepreneurs to have a place where they can just live and work. And this place is a really big reason why my trip to Bali has been so special. There's constantly new people coming in and out and people who share the same vision as you. You have good conversations every single day. If there's something that you're trying to figure out with your business or content or whatever, somebody in the house has the answer to it. In my 3 months here, I've made countless amazing friends from all around the world. I know I could go pretty much anywhere in the world and have somewhere to stay because of this place. So this place is really special to me, so let's go check it out. What's up, y'all? Say what up to the vlog.
Is it your birthday today?
It is.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
So basically over there is where co-working spot is, do all the work, and then all of this is the rooms. So there's like 4 private rooms, 2 dorm rooms with 6 beds. So there's about 20 people living here at any given time. And this guy runs the show.
Straight from South Africa, came here, took over about 2 months ago. I just called it the Ryan House spot now. Stayed in that room, stayed in that room,
Yep.
stayed in that room, going to the dorms up now next. It's just going everywhere.
That's where all the rooms are. Over there, we got a rooftop gym over here. And out there, we got a view of the ocean. And when it's sunset, this is just so beautiful. We even have dogs here.
Birthday boy.
Hey! Thanks, guys. Thanks, brother. So this is the co-working room. That I don't know how much work gets done here. A lot of work. From this guy, yes. This guy, yes. I don't know about everybody else.
Blood, sweat, and tears.
I've never seen you in here. I've seen you here like 3 times.
The 3 black office. Yeah. And you have 2, 4, 6 shots of espresso there.
Nice. I have 5 hours of video filming, so I have to be.
So you're gonna be wired.
Yeah. 1, 2 here. And we have another one. I already drank it.
And maybe a couple Diet Cokes later too.
Couple. A liter or so. A liter and a half.
Hey, what's your guys' favorite part about living in Bali?
Nothing. It's a shithole. Don't come here. No, we say that because if a lot of Westerners come, they're gonna completely destroy the vibe of Bali. So don't come.
Yeah, but we're those Westerners too.
Yeah, but, like,
Yeah.
but we live in. No,
We're already here.
we're in here. Like don't
No more.
Like we messed it up a little bit, but like not more.
When I got the invitation from Max to come here at Bali, I was pretty stressed at first because it was my first, big trip from Europe to here. But when I came at the house, from the second day or third day, I was like, man, I wanna live here for months. Yeah, not because of the house, the decorations for the rooms here and there, and how clean everything is. But the whole vibe, the whole community thing, everyone treats you like family. They treat you as a good friend. You have pretty much a great working space so you can do the work. You have your studio. You have to live here for at least 2 weeks to really feel it, to really understand how everyone is. Yeah, I think that's something really amazing.
Alright, so now I'm at this co-working cafe. A big reason why I came to Bali was because there's so many places like this. Pretty much everywhere you go, you can just get good coffee, good food, and just stay here and work. I like to come here and just edit videos or script or do whatever I have to do. And pretty much everyone that you meet at these places is doing something creative or working online. So on top of it just being beautiful and cheap and all those things, it's a really good place to network and meet people who are doing similar things. I generally think that if you are in content creation or starting your own business and you work online, Bali is one of the best places to go to for those types of things. All right, heading out now. We're going to a video shoot. So one of the things I've been doing out here in Bali is doing a lot of videos on the real estate here and how much it costs to actually live in Bali and some of these luxury villas. And one of the companies that I've been working for has invited me out to do an interview with some of the people at the top. And this is going to be for an upcoming video that I'm doing on the real estate development here in Bali. So it should be fun. Last time that we filmed, they brought out a whole production team with makeup, with multiple cinema cameras, lighting setup. It should be interesting. Let's go see what this is all about. Shoot was a success. We're finishing off the day with sunset at the beach. Usually sunsets are better than this, but can't complain, man. Can't complain. We're in paradise. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.